And you guys got to plan my bridal shower.
Yes, that'll be fun too.
Cassidy and Allie Jacobs are busy planning their futures.
Dress shopping.
Dress shopping, we did dress shopping together.
Sisters born 16 months apart.
Now I consider her my best friend, so.
Yeah, absolutely.
We're best friends.
Yeah.
Preparing for their own weddings within 5 months of each other.
We've just really helped each other kind of plan and think things through. I mean, that's huge. Planning a wedding is stressful.
An entire day.
Don't plan a wedding if you have to.
The two never imagined a pandemic would hit, possibly interrupting their big days.
Extremely hard, physically, mentally, emotionally.
Extremely hard because COVID would put them both on the front lines day in and day out.
Life is fragile.
Oh, yes.
You know, your life can completely change and flip over in a blink of an eye.
Cassidy and Allie are not only sisters, best friends, but young nurses battling the deadly virus.
My second day on my own as a registered nurse, I started taking care of COVID patients.
The Jacobs sisters work for DEACONESS Health System. Cassidy, a neuro ICU, which became the COVID ICU unit, and Allie, the neurosurgical unit.
I would hold their hand, you know, and watch their vitals and until they took their very, very last breath. It's very, very hard. Extremely emotional. Sometimes it just wouldn't hit you till you got home and you had time to think. You know, out of all the people I've taken care of, I've had one that has turned around and has survived.
Each shift, Cassidy suited up, ready to face the challenges of COVID.
I felt safe. You know, I felt safe going into these rooms. But yes, we'd have the PAPR and the gowns and gloves and masks and our shoe covers.
Allie saw a different side of the virus.
I could see my patients getting better, and I could sit there and tell them, you know, you're doing so much better, you know, look how you were and how you're doing now.
But even she couldn't remain COVID-free, contracting the virus in the fall.
I was sick. I was on the couch for a week. Terribly, terribly tired.
Throughout this year, the sisters have offered strength to their patients and families, but also to each other after a tough day.
Emotional support was huge, just because we know, not only just nursing, but with the COVID and with everything, we know kind of what each other is going through, and we were able to just, you know, come home, and even after a long day, if she was crying and, you know, just, you know, it's okay.
It was Allie, the younger sister, who inspired Cassidy to pursue nursing, the two attending USI at the same time.
She has her head on straight, she's smart, she knows what she wants.
Now Cassidy encouraging Allie to study for a master's degree together.
I look to her for guidance. I mean, she's my younger sister, but I turn to her. You know, she's an inspiration to me, always has been. I look up to her. You know, it's crazy, but she'll make me cry.
As cases start to drop, the sisters reflect on the lessons learned in 2020.
You know, pray. You know, love your family, love the Lord. You know, don't take advantage of the little things.
Through the pain of the past year, joy is found.
Oh, Dad's gonna cry.
Oh my gosh, Dad's gonna be a wreck.
Focusing on brighter days ahead.
You're literally getting to do life one-on-one with your best friend.
Yeah.
Not only life, but
School,
the
job.
same.
Side by side as sisters, students, and nurses.
Like to be there for my patients. You know, I want to take care of them in hopes that I can make a difference.
Proud.
Yeah, proud. Yep.